What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some more work on the MR2. So in the last video we got the engine and everything back into the car. We got it fired up and she is sounding great. But right now I'm actually working on mounting our shifter. So right here we have the shifter for that Quaife sequential transmission. And if we were just to mount this guy up on top of the tunnel, it is going to sit way too high. So what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to take a cutoff wheel and I'm going to be cutting a section out of the tunnel right here. And then I'm going to be taking some 1/8" steel plate and I'm going to weld a plate down inside the tunnel and drill some holes through that. And then this shifter will actually sit, you know, a few more inches down inside of the tunnel. And then the shifter won't be so ridiculously high up and it'll be more comfortable. I'm wanting the shifter to be, you know, like more about this height, like normal shifter height. And yeah, so that's what we're going for today. I know some people who have K-Swap MR2s, they've done something very similar to this because also the K-Series shifters sit really high and they'll cut a section out and mount a plate like 1 or 2 inches down in there just to help kind of tuck it all in there. And then they're able to refit the factory piece that goes right here around the shifter and stuff. So that is what we are going for today. I already went ahead and marked out where I'm going to cut. I'm going to be cutting from up here all the way back to right here just so I can fit the whole shifter in there, drop it in there, make it nice and easy to get to the bolts. And then we also have some steel plate that we got from a guy, but it is a giant piece of like scrap material, so we're gonna have to cut that up to get a piece that we want, which we'll show you guys in just a second. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cutting this guy out so we can get this thing mounted up.
For
Easy
pump.
access to our fuel pump.
Fuel pump maintenance.
Maintenance hatch.
Yep.
I'm gonna feed it through the tunnel. Try to help it through. Yep.
That's gonna be a lot nicer down there.
Oh yeah, get it nice and tucked out of the way. That's way better. Like something like that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Then I'll make a plate to cover all this up and you won't even see any of it.
So all you see is just the shifter,
Yep, we'll be able
top
to
part
put
of
the
it.
interior piece back on. I should bring that. I think it's still at my house, because then we can see how high it sits like with the boot, because I could still use the factory little shift boot and clean it all up. Come here, Link. There's a rabbit over here. Right here, Link. Oh, go get it. Oh, you, get it.
Get him! Get him, Link!
He's out.
He's gone.
All right, so we actually stopped where we were at yesterday on the MR2. The reason for that is because I forgot about this center console piece right here, and I do plan on putting most of the interior back together in this car. So the center console piece was actually at my house, and I wanted to wait until we had this so I could mount the shifter in the center of the factory little hole right here. So before we could weld this plate in that we got cut out and start mounting the shifter, I wanted to be sure that it would line up with this piece right here, because you know, if I mounted this a little too far back or something, then our piece wouldn't fit anymore. So I got this from my house this morning and we brought it over, and I do probably plan on flocking this later on so we can match the dash. But now that we have that, we can go ahead and continue with mounting the shifter on the MR2. But before we even get to that, Trevor is actually stopping by today and we are trading cars back. So he is coming to get his Civic that I did the 10-point roll cage in, and he is going to be dropping off the red MR2 that he got painted for us. So right now we're just cleaning his car off for him, and we will be waiting for him to show up, and we will do the trade. And I'm really excited to see how the red MR2 came out in person. I saw his video, it looks amazing, and I'm hoping he likes the cage we did in his Civic. So we're just gonna wait for him to show up, and we'll go from there. He grew that stash out down in Texas.
Yeah, no.
Grew it out, or you just chopped
How does the wife feel
off?
about that?
She thought it was okay.
She's okay with it? Nice.
She's okay with it. Maybe thought
It'll
it was,
grow back in
yeah.
a week.
I mean, it's already grown back. I'm getting past the itchy stage.
I know, I can't even grow one out if I tried.
Well, you got like a little,
You got the
like
bleach.
a little wispy one.
I get like just little hairs that just poke up out of nowhere. Then I just cut them off.
Yeah. Well, you ready to look at your new MR2?
I'm ready to see it.
Are you ready to see your
excited?
cage?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are we gonna do some all drive dyno stuff today too, or they?
Yeah, I told Brent, he said he's down.
They got some things on there. Did you order everything for the K-swap? Were you swapping that thing today?
Not swapping it today, but I have a lot I need, yeah. just about everything. Oh man, I'm done. I've seen enough.
Let me just make sure that nothing fell on it on the way.
Oh dang, bro, that's a brand new car.
It's not.
That's not our car.
We just got you a different one.
Dude, look at that thing. What? Dude, that is too nice. Oh my gosh. Dude, it looks just like off the showroom floor new.
A little dusty.
Yeah. Hey, don't touch my car, bro. Back up. No.
No leaning.
Damn.
Is that color a little brighter?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a brighter red.
Supra Red 2 or something like that. It's a Toyota color.
So it's a super color.
Damn.
Damn.
All you guys are gonna hear in this video is damn.
Bro.
Whoa. Sick. Whoa. All right, hey, let's tuck the mirrors in this time. Can I fold the mirrors in? Like, is it okay for me to like grab them and fold them? All right. Yeah, we don't need the mirror catching like last time, remember?
Yeah, I don't.
A wire down the
Do you
side.
want me to steer it out so we don't?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do it. This thing is mint. Except the interior.
It's already rolled.
Oh,
Yeah, there's no brakes. You guys ready to catch it?
There's
yeah,
no
there's
brakes,
no brakes
so-
at all.
there it is. Look at that.
Now
She
you
is
need some-
fresh.
You need some different wheels.
I know. Now everything else about the car is just gross. The wheels are shot, the interior's done. Now we have to treat this thing too nice.
And like wiped it down and give it like a little bit of a vacuum, but it.
Like a small detail.
What we do with all like our cars that are like nasty, you just pull it all out and then you pressure wash it, and then you get one of like the foam cannons, and then you put like laundry detergent in it, and you put like the carpet like on sawhorses or something, and then foam cannon it with that stuff. Take like a scrub brush, like scrub it real good, and then just pressure wash it all out till it runs out clear. Because this will probably be like brown forever. Like when it's like
Yeah, there'll be a
all
lot
the
of
burn
dirt
stuff
coming out of that. All the mouse poo.
But,
Dang. It's a whole new car now.
yeah, it turned out really good.
Yeah, that's
how
really good.
How quick we did it.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, my arm, my shoulder was upsetting me. It looks.
Damn. That looks so good. And all these trim pieces used to be black. He painted it all red, all one color. Looks so much better that way. And you said this is a slightly different red than the OEM.
Yeah, so the original red is more of like a maroon to it, and it kind of had like the main color for it looked like a muddy red. So like I was talking to Eric, the guy at DNS who mixes the paint and everything for me, and he was showing me, he's like, yeah, the main color for this one just looked like a muddy looking red, whereas this was this super bright red. And I think that this looks just way, way better.
Oh, this looks
So-
perfect. That is so nice. Well, now it just needs a K-swap and a lot more work because, man, it's like too clean. You're gonna have to be careful with this one.
You could just swap everything from the white car over into this one.
Yeah, just take the whole setup out of the white one and throw it in this.
Or just give you the white card out and you can bring it back painted.
We can just that one would be. So this thing, it wasn't bad. There's just so many pieces. Like,
Yeah, like taking it all
everything-
apart?
Yeah, like all of the pieces. Cause like this was a piece, this was a piece. These were both two separate pieces.
The wing
Like
is
the
it's like
thing,
5
this,
pieces.
all these were all separate.
Did you have fun pulling that front bumper?
It, honestly, I don't know. It wasn't terrible.
Wasn't terrible?
It did take us.
all your extra
Front bumpers had a
all your
lot of
extra
bolts.
are in there. So
Yeah, we did.
we did the
Okay.
the bolt delete for you, so they're all there.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we did a little bit on yours too.
Yeah.
There's
that's
some
fine.
bolt deletion on your
But yeah,
Civic.
then we basically gutted everything in the engine bay or whatever. So we have all those bolts because we were getting ready for that.
It's all
but-
labeled bagged for you.
Ours are not labeled.
Zip tied up.
And then
Oh,
so
dang.
so we pulled all the wiring back through here, so we left some of the interior trim like off because you're gonna have to like redo that anyhow because all your.
All your
Yep.
stuff.
Yeah, that's probably all gonna go anyways.
But you guys actually cleaned the inside. It looks good.
Yeah, I mean it looks way better than it did.
Oh
Well,
yeah.
We cleaned it once and then
We cleaned it like a little bit. Yeah, we pressure washed it with.
Video when you guys brought it, you're like.
Oh, did you see this too?
Huh.
Oh, it works.
Oh, you fixed it. You know, I opened it and I didn't even realize that it works now. Yeah, because we had to open this from the inside before.
Yeah.
What was that? Was it just like the cable popped
So
off
the-
or something?
Like the little thing that goes in there, there's like one of those clamps where it like slides in it, and then there's like the
little plastic
like the little
clip,
thing
yeah.
that locks on it. It's just missing. So
Oh, okay.
I just stuck it through and then put like a tiny zip tie to like hold it in place.
So it'd be good for now.
But now it actually works.
Nice. Hell yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, we didn't do the jams,
Fire
but
it
the
up.
color's like not that far off to where you like really notice it a whole lot.
Yeah, no, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, you could see the color difference, and you could see how that other one was. It was more of like a crimson. I don't know how to describe crimson. Other
Yeah.
than it's
Yeah, you can definitely see the difference. I like the
But-
brighter for sure.
Oh yeah.
Look at that reflection. That's
But,
sick.
and I didn't cut and buff the car. I cut and buffed the hood, and then that was it. Other than that, that's just straight out of the gun.
Damn.
So
That's pretty good. There's
And
not
there's
like
a-
a lot of dirt or nothing.
yeah, and there's 3 coats of clear on it too. So if you ever decided you wanted to actually, you know, cut it down and make it like a freaking show car, like you actually could, because there's enough clear on it. But I figure daily driver, you know, if you get some scuffs and scratches or whatever, at least you have a little bit of clear to work with to kind of take some of that stuff out. But
Damn, nice. You did an awesome job. This came out sweet. Well, are you ready to see your car?
I'm ready. Let's go take a
See your
look.
cage. Now you can go race it without getting kicked out.
I know. I still haven't ordered the slicks.
No?
I keep saying that. I'm like, oh, I need to order the slicks. And then now, here we are. Does Emilio's car have slicks on it now?
Yeah, it does.
Did you guys take it to the track yet?
No, not yet.
When are you guys going?
I'm not sure yet.
Oh, did you see my my intake manifold bolt that was missing?
Yeah, this one
I
was
didn't
all
notice.
loose too.
I actually just took it down the road for a drive with no windshield.
How was it?
It was good.
How'd it feel to drive a fast car?
Well, it was really windy, so I couldn't get on it. Yep, she's all in there.
bad,
Feel it
dude.
out. And I made it so, yeah, the bar, you know, just tucks right under there. When you shut this door, it fits the factory door panels and
Oh yeah.
fits between that gap.
Even
That's
ties.
nice. It looks like a race car now.
Yeah, I made it
The
fit pretty
bars,
nice up and tight. It's all
Freaking
solid.
bars and stuff. Oh,
Should
I
help
need to order
tie
parts.
the chassis together too. Everything's gonna be stiffened up now because all your shock towers back there are tied together. Whole car is like one piece now.
I need to order harnesses.
Yeah, you need some
That's
harnesses to
the
go
one.
off of this guy right here.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Then you just put your harnesses through there and then run them through there. Yeah, and then I left a little bit of a bigger gap right here than normal just to like help fit your interior pieces. So getting all this back in was a lot easier.
Yeah.
Because in my car, I had this bend come down a little farther.
Yeah,
But-
man, those welds look nice.
Yeah, I was pretty happy with
You're
it.
telling me you're self-conscious of them, but I think
Yeah, there's a couple that were hard to get to that aren't the best.
mean,
like there's a
that's-
little one down there. It's kind of a little blobby down there, but
that's how it
when
goes
it's-
though. Like how are you supposed to do?
Yeah, like
Like-
trying to get a TIG torch down in those tight corners, it gets tough. But it's all fully welded and done, so.
Yeah, so I'm not sure if I should put the carpet back in it, or like in my drift car, I just did. I painted the cage, and then I bed lined the bottom of it.
Oh,
Like
yeah,
I
that
used
would work too.
Raptor liner. So I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah,
We'll see
you could
how-
do it either way. And yeah, you were talking to me, so that's why we left the carpet and stuff out, just in case you want to.
Yeah, it depends
pull
on
it all
how-
out and paint
I guess. I mean, there's kind of no turning back now. This thing's already kind
I mean, I say just go race car with it.
of turning race car anyhow.
We'll see what they say in the comments. Everyone's just gonna be like, make it a race car. Do you think it was a
But-
fair trade? Everyone in my comments were saying I got the easy end
Why?
for doing a cage.
I mean,
Everyone's like,
cages aren't really easy.
it's not easy, bro.
If anybody's ever like, first off, like painting a car's not easy. Doing a cage isn't easy. There's a lot of stuff that goes into like both of them, as far as like knowledge. You know?
Knowledge.
Like it's all about that knowledge.
It's all having the skill set for it too.
Like there's a lot of bending and welding and.
Oh yeah.
Bro, there's a lot of welding and cleaning stuff off.
And I feel like you guys didn't film a whole lot of the whole process.
Oh, no,
either.
we didn't.
You just kind of like, it's like when you had spare time, it's like, all right, let's go weld for a
Yeah,
couple hours.
this was days to get it done.
So, and that's all my videos were. We're just working on it. I was like, part
Yeah.
1, part 2, part 3.
Yeah, we don't have a whole shop.
Yeah.
I was watching.
We had like other stuff going on while I was doing this. I just like
Yeah.
when I had a few hours, we
Yeah, and that was
did
like
as much as we could done.
all we were doing pretty much. It was like, oh, we need to bust this thing out as fast as we can, because I seen you started it on the cage, and I was like, man, I can't let Kyle beat me.
What you think? You wanna go riding there? Oh yeah, he's about it.
He's like, all right, let's go.
All right, new whip. Who dis?
There's like all that. There's like a poop mound in the corner,
Oh yeah.
and we pressure washed all that stuff out.
Oh nice. Pressure washed all the mouse poop out. Awesome.
Some wheels.
I know it's too clean. They look like mustard and ketchup right now to me. I got the ketchup. He has the mustard.
You know what actually would look good? Is those.
Think so?
If you just took those off and put them on here, it would be like,
The ones off the S14.
yeah.
I might try it
Because
just
they're
to
like
see what it looks
aggressive,
like.
They got that nice concave.
Yeah,
think they
those are
would
the
look sick.
XXRs. Really appreciate it. She came out sweet. Trevor already got his Civic loaded up though, and so now he can go to the track and run some
Equipped with that
10s
Kyle,
hopefully.
the Kyle battery curse. We had to.
Oh yeah, I had to jump it. You bring a car here and the batteries just instantly die. I don't know what it is about it, but
Something about this bay, man. I don't know.
I think it's just, yeah. I feel like it's something around me. I don't know.
Check your oil.
But I finally bought a good jump box, so
And
we're
today's
good now.
September, so you're not at the. You're Kyle, right?
yeah, unfortunately I'm not out there with my brother in at the front lines at Area 51 right now. They called all the Kyles to the front lines.
Yeah, and you weren't there.
Yeah, so they drafted me and I didn't go, so I'm gonna be facing some charges. We're gonna head out, go get some food. I was gonna continue on the white MR2 and get that shifter mounted and stuff, but I was waiting on a package today that didn't come and it kind of bummed me out. It's a really important package. So when that comes, I'm gonna have the motivation to, yeah, that's those things that make it do things. Yeah. So I was like, we're gonna get the shifter mounted and we're gonna go rip this thing, but you know what? We're gonna have to wait for today. So that'll be the next video, hopefully. All right, guys, we went and got some food with Trevor not too long ago, but I actually ran back to my house and the package that I was talking about earlier that I had originally thought didn't come today actually did end up coming. So I went home, picked up this package, and I brought it back to the shop, and I'm really excited to get all this stuff into the white MR2. I've been waiting on this for so long. You guys can probably guess what it is, but I will be showing that in the next few videos here very soon. And yeah, so now I definitely need to get that shifter mounted on the tranny, and all I'm gonna say is the MR2 is probably not too far away from its first test drive, so I'm really excited about that. And Roman actually pulled the Grinch out not too long ago because he is getting ready to take it out to Mexico, so I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be tagging along with him, and we'll be going to Mexico on the Grinch tonight or what. Yeah, I also wanted to ask you guys about the red MR2 as far as what you guys think I should do for wheels, because Trevor just got done with the paint job on this thing and it looks freaking amazing and it needs to get off of these ugly wheels. So I am open to suggestions as far as what I should do for that. I definitely need to get some coilovers for it as well, lower it down some, and just start cleaning this car up. I want to get some aftermarket seats for it, aftermarket steering wheel, start cleaning up the interior, because I really do have to treat this car nice now because Trevor just gave it like a freaking showroom paint job and it is just so nice now. I was really thinking about doing some like RPF ones, just like these ones right here. These are Emilios, but I was thinking about getting some brand new ones with some decent street tires, and I think that would look really good. I really do like the look of those RPF ones, and I still might be doing some side skirts and like a front lip later on. But yeah, I just wanted to get your guys' opinion. But other than that, that's pretty much it for tonight. And yeah, just a lot going on. So we have some stuff coming up for the white MR2 for sure. And we also have some stuff coming up for Roman's car. And then obviously now we have this red car to get up and going too. So that is going to be it for tonight, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.